Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a look at our weather week ahead and another warm day across the Arklatex today. As you can see, the fog that we had early this morning has given way to a mix of sunshine and clouds pretty much all across the Arklatex. Finally seeing some sunshine there in DeKalb, which has been cloudy for the past few days. And as we move ahead through the next 36 hours, still going to be watching a cold front, which is going to be approaching the area basically late tomorrow. Ahead of the front, another warm day tomorrow, although not as warm as today. This frontal system will make its way through the area probably late Thursday night and Friday morning. And behind it, we'll see some chilly air begin to move into the region. A little bit of rain along the front, but most of the rain that we're going to see Friday will be over the southern sections of the area behind the front as some upper level support moves in from the south and west. That's going to allow for some showers to develop across the southern half of the area. So let's take a look at Robbins Toyota Futurecast here during the course of the next few days. And you can see that tonight we will see less cloud cover, as we'll see a partly cloudy sky across the area tonight. Can't totally rule out a few patches of fog. And then tomorrow we will see plenty of sunshine once again with temperatures. So a bit of a cooler start, as a result not quite as warm, as we'll see highs in the upper 70s to low 80s across most of the area. And then tomorrow night, as the front comes in, you can see that chance for a few showers near and slightly behind the front heading into early Friday morning. These scattered showers will continue to spread to the south and east, and see the uptick in rain heading into late Friday afternoon and Friday evening. Heaviest rain will be over the southern edge of the Arklatex, where a few rumbles of thunder will be possible. Kind of that we'll see a whole lot of rain as far as Shreveport, and you can see that rain will gradually shift more towards the south and east and eventually come to an end during the nighttime hours Friday night. We likely will see quite a bit of sunshine for most of the weekend. Now, longer range, we're going to be watching a series of disturbances which is going to be moving over the top of this chilly air mass, which is going to stay put and give us a couple of rounds of rain during the next 10 days. We have our first round again late Friday night over the south. You can see the trough moving in, and there's the front. And again, this broad trough here responsible for the rain Friday. And then we'll see that clear out. Weekend looks good. Another round of rain possible Monday and Monday night. That disturbance sneaks through. We'll take a pause, and then another disturbance off to our west will bring another chance for some rain late next week, probably Friday night and or Saturday of next week, possibly even much of next weekend. We'll see that chance of rain continuing. And notice the big ridges here, as the chilly air mass that will move into the Arklatex will likely stick around at least for the next 10 days, possibly for the next 2 weeks. It may be 2 weeks before we see 60 again when we get past Friday. As far as rainfall potential, add up the rain from these three disturbances, and you can see models still hinting that the heaviest will be over the southern two-thirds of the Arklatex. A good shot of seeing a couple inches in Natchitoches, Easterton, Shreveport, probably closer to an inch, maybe as low as a half an inch in the northern sections of the area. That's what the models kind of leaning towards in Texarkana, as again most of the heavier downpours will further to the south the way right now. So for it looks like for tonight, we'll see a few patches of fog will be possible, as we'll see temperatures fall into the 50s. Pretty much area-wide, 58 in Shreveport, 59 tonight for the low temperature in Texarkana. Tomorrow, expect to see a partly cloudy sky with a cooler start. It will not be as warm, as we'll see highs for the most part in the upper 70s. 79 in Shreveport, 78 degrees in Marshall, 78 in Linden, and 77 for your high temperature tomorrow in Texarkana. 10-day forecast shows that we will see the drop in temperatures begin Friday, as we'll struggle to make it into the 60s for highs. Friday night, lows will dip into the upper 30s to lower 40s. The weekend, highs in the middle 50s. Notice 30s for lows all next week. Pretty good shot for some rain Monday and Monday night. You can see a cold rain too, high only at 50 degrees on Monday, and we'll see another shot for some rain sometime late next week. Expect those 20% to go up to get a bit more of an agreement in the models as to the exact timing of that last disturbance late next week. So all in all, looks like one more warm day of weather here across the Arklatex before we cool off for an extended period starting this weekend.